This is a used Freightliner rollback tow truck that is in really nice shape. Available at Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. It's a 2021 Freightliner M2 with a Jerr-Dan rollback body. It has a 3,500-pound wheel lift and a 22-foot steel deck rated for 6 tons. It has a 10K winch at the front of the deck. Aluminum toolboxes are mounted on both sides. And it has Jerr-Dan's high-visibility rail lighting system. The extended cab has plenty of space for passenger or storage. It has a Cummins 300 horsepower engine. Visit our website to see the full specs of this truck.